Let's move forward and talk about Verkleinwoorden. Verkleinwoorden means words which are used to refer to the small things. We can say smaller words or words referring smaller things. Words referring smaller things. Usually in Dutch, if we have a big shopping bag, then we say it tas. And if we want to say a smaller shopping bag, then we say tasje. A girl is meid and meisje is the smaller girl. So usually we add ye at the end, but there are different rules. We can add ye, that is ja, te, and we can add p at the end of the word. There are different regels. There are different rules to add ye, te or pe, and they are pronounced as meisje, tasje, Ijse. Sometimes there is a difference between ice. For example, ias, ice is the ice, but Ijse is an ice cream. So sometimes Verkleinwoorden refer to a different thing, but mostly they refer to the same thing in a smaller form. So most of the times we use ye at the end of the word. For example, house, housje, dorp, dorpje. Dorp is a village and dorpje is a small village. But if a word ends with L, let me write it down. If the word ends with L, N, W, R or with vowels, and vowels are called clinker in Dutch, then we add TJA at the end of the word to make it smaller. For example, we have got a word, let's say deal, and we want to make it smaller, then we will add TJA at the end of the word. This word ends with L, therefore we have added TJA at the end. Let's take another example. If we have got Frau, then a smaller Frau would be Frauche. So if the word ends with L, N, W, R or a clinker, then we add TJA at the end of the word to make it smaller. Similarly, if a word ends with M, then we add PJA at the end of the word. For example, Ram is a window, becomes Ramchie. So let's revise. To refer to a smaller things, we usually add JA at the end of the word, and if the word ends with L, N, V or R or mediclinker, that is L, N, W, R or with a vowel, then we add TJA. And if the word ends with M, then we add PJA at the end of the word to refer to a smaller thing or a smaller version.